Hi, today we want to talk about nested tables. So what this mean? Let's create a writer document. We have one big table like that, and inside that we can insert another table. So let's do that. Let's go again here and insert a new table like this. Let's write here A, B, C, and let's style this text to look good. Let's center, let's bold, and now let's remove the spelling, check spelling. So we have a table in a table. We don't want to have two borders. Let's see on printing. We have very near here two borders, so we can remove that. We click inside the table and go to properties and no border. Now we have just the border from the first table. Now let's see how to copy this inside table. We click inside the table, or we can select all. We click here, select table, and click on copy and Ctrl V and paste. Paste as nested table. Let's move up and press delete. Paste as nested table and here delete. Again here and up and delete. It's very easy. Now let's insert some other tables. Here let's insert bigger tables. So we have no limit when we want to insert a table. So big tables could be very easy inserted. Let's do the same thing with copy and paste. So let's go table, select table, and copy, and here paste nested table. Up and delete. Everything looks very good. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.